I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some virtual assistant remote job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Hill Country Trophy. For this job, you will manage and maintain schedules, meetings, and appointments for team members. You'll perform various administrative tasks such as data entry, record keeping, and organizing files. You will coordinate projects and deadlines, ensuring that tasks are completed on time and within budget. You will assist with travel arrangements and logistics, including booking flights, hotels, and ground transportation. You'll conduct research and gather information for various projects and tasks. You'll communicate with clients and stakeholders on behalf of team members, ensuring that they receive prompt and courteous responses. You will assist with social media management and content creation. You'll provide executive support, such as drafting emails, reports, and other documents. And you'll handle confidential and sensitive information with discretion and professionalism. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have proven work experience as a virtual assistant or administrative assistant. You must have strong organization skills and attention to detail. You must have excellent communication and interpersonal abilities. You must have experience managing calendars, schedules, and meetings. You must be proficient in Microsoft Office and Google Suite. You must be able to work independently and prioritize tasks effectively. You must have a high level of professionalism and confidentiality, and knowledge of social media management and content creation is a plus. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include medical, dental, and vision coverage, paid time off, paid holidays, floating holidays, competitive compensation, a 401k retirement plan, life insurance, and short-term and long-term disability benefits. This is a full-time position with a salary of $45,790. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Kentech Consulting. Regarding the key responsibilities for this job, you will design marketing materials using PowerPoint, Canva, or Adobe Suite. You will assist with social media campaigns from social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. You will conduct market research to identify growth opportunities and trends. You will plan and coordinate events such as board meetings, fundraisers, and company gatherings. You will coordinate and book travel arrangements for executives. You will field calls and manage correspondence with professionalism. You will maintain and organize electronic and physical filing systems. You will take ownership of admin tasks, proactively solving problems, and streamlining workflows. You will utilize CRM tools such as HubSpot or something similar to that to manage client data and communications. You'll establish efficient systems to ensure executives stay ahead of deadlines. You'll delegate tasks and ensure team-wide communication and progress tracking. And you'll manage time and calendars, ensuring optimal productivity. Regarding the key attributes they are looking for someone that is energetic and positive. Your enthusiasm makes collaboration fun and effective. They are looking for someone that is a data-driven decision maker. You use metrics and insights to spot opportunities. They are looking for someone that is a proactive problem solver. You anticipate challenges and tackle them head on. They are looking for someone that is an exceptional organizer. You thrive on juggling multiple projects and keeping things running smoothly. And they are looking for someone that is a tech-savvy innovator. So you are proficient in Google Workspace, QuickBooks, CRM software like HubSpot, and other automation tools. Regarding the required qualifications for this job, you must have at least a minimum of 4 years of experience in administrative support, preferably within a tech-driven company. You must have strong proficiency in Google Workspace, QuickBooks, and CRM tools like HubSpot. You must have a high level of professionalism, critical thinking, adaptability, and strong communication skills. And they'll prefer that you have a bachelor's degree in business, marketing, or a related field. You'll be given bonus points for knowledge of the EOS operating system, multilingual skills, and experience with Photoshop, InDesign, or other creative tools. This is a full-time position. The next job is with LifeTech Academy. Regarding the essential duties for this job, you'll communicate weekly with assigned LifeTech Academy learners. You'll establish weekly goals and plans for course completion. You'll establish long-term goals for annual course completion of 10 courses per academic year. You'll document in detail all under communications using provided LifeTech Academy documentation resources. And you'll complete communication and documentation in the prescribed timeline as established by the Academy Director. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have strong interpersonal skills. You must have a driven work ethic. You must be willing to participate in management company-sponsored professional development. You must be able to meet deadlines and organize multiple tasks. And you must have strong written communication skills. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.